Okay, let's make a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping because sometime you are buying a gift other people's and I love clothes and I love cooking very much.
Okay, cooking is not in the scope of the question. The topic is shopping. You say, as I like cooking very much, that is why I buy things which are related to cooking. You can just attach it like this, okay? And try to make compound senses mainly. Let's go on. Do you compare prices when you shop? Compare prices means one thing from one store is this much price and other store they've got this much price and all that. So do you compare prices?
Yeah, usually I compare very much because sometime very big malls, different prices, and some little shops, different prices.
So I always compare prices, and where I find thing economical, I prefer to buy it from there, right? Something like that. Okay, one last question. Do you prefer to go for shopping alone or with your friends or family?
I prefer with my childs.
With my children.
Children, and someone other, my relative.
You can give reasons. I always prefer shopping with my children because,
because children are enjoying on the place, and I have many ideas shopping with others.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Try to answer properly, and you need to focus your fluency also, and try to practice all these topics, right? All right, let's move on. Do you like insects?
Yes, I do like the insects. Change the topic.
Okay, it's not shoes that you say bhai wo wala dikhaye. Okay, so in actual examiner will not change the topic. Listen to me. When you talk about insects, you can talk about honeybees in the positive note if you want to. Otherwise, you can talk about mosquitoes, flies, and all that stuff. So, do you like insects? No, I don't like insects because they spread diseases. Mosquitoes cause dengue fever. So that is why I don't like insects. But I like one insect only, and that is honeybee because I like honey very much. Something like this. Try to in actual exam, if they ask you this topic, so you cannot ask the ma'am to change the topic. Okay. So let's start again. Do you like insects?
No, most probably I don't like the insect like mosquito. Nowadays, mosquito are high number and people get disease from them. That's why I don't like insects. And if I'm talking about the I like the insect specific one, and that is honeybee.
Okay. Are there many different insects in your area?
Yes, there are a lot of insects in my area. As I said before, there are a lot of mosquitoes, as well as other one is a small type of reptiles. No,
reptiles are not insects. You can talk about flies mosquitoes, ants, kiri, ants.
Yeah, you can consider that.
All right, I can consider that. You have to consider that. It is your speaking test, okay? Not my speaking test. Okay. Do you think insects are useful?
Yes. If I am talking about the specific insect, which is honeybee, we contain lot of benefits like it gives honey.
It gives honey, or they give honey. Honeybees.
They give honey, and we use in our sweet dishes, as well as to make a glowy skin. We use as well as in your skin, on your skin.
On our skin. No, I'm fine. Yeah, I use Pfizer cream. I'm okay with that. Okay. All right, that's fine. So the first thing is, whatever the topic is, try to answer the questions, okay? And the second thing is, just try to handle the questions. Even if you don't know much about it, be very frank and tell the examiner. Well, they say, do you like insects? Well, I don't know. This is for the first time anyone is asking me about insects, but I think, yeah, insects are dangerous and they are harmful because they spread certain diseases, something like that. Okay, but answer every question with full interest. Okay? All right. Thank you so much.